Introducing the all-new 2024 Volvo X30 Sin MTR EXT RNG RWD Ultra in sleek grey. This electric vehicle boasts an array of comfort, safety and technology features, from air conditioning to collision avoidance braking. With a luxurious interior including features like Bluetooth phone and ambient lighting, you'll enjoy every drive in style. The security features, like centralized locking and lane departure warning, ensure peace of mind on the road. Plus, the energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities make for a more efficient and convenient driving experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.